Good afternoon. It is November the 30th, 2024. Here we go. We got the police boats in force. They're all manning their spots. Right before, you can see one way out there, another police boat. And they don't like any boats to come into this harbor area before the Princess cruise boat, the Sun Princess, gets ready to go off. And there's a couple big yachts over there. That's the Lady, let's see what that is. Looks like the Lady Moura, M-O-U-R-A. Getting ready to go out of Port Everglades here for another 7 nights, and then another 7 nights, and then another 7 nights. I think 8 more 7 nights. But anyhow, this one's going to Grand Turk, Caicos. But you can see the police influence right there, the police boats. You have them all stationed so nobody is coming through and making wakes. Right here, you see how slow these boats are coming through. So So that is the theme to the Love Boat song here on Sun Princess, leaving Port Everglades right now for another voyage to Grand Turks and Caicos and to Amber Cove, which is in Dominican Republic, and to Princess Cay. So it's beautiful having a police escort down. But anyhow, till then, subscribe to my channel. You all have a really good day.